welcome to Halong Bay. Today we're going to get a boat and go around some of the thousands of islands in this UNESCO World Heritage Site. We're travelling with Dragon Cruises, which is €22 per person. Bit expensive for Vietnam, but hopefully it'll be worth it.
Included in the price is an extensive lunch buffet with a veggie option. We did have to pay extra for drinks though. You have the option to explore a couple of islands closer either by kayak or in a bamboo boat. I went for the bamboo boat and Sass went for the kayak, so we tried both options. If you want to sit back and enjoy the scenery, then go for the bamboo boat. But if you would like some more independence, then the two-person kayak is perfect.
After you explore the islands, you can also enter one of the many limestone caves in the area. There were the option of 2 caves, and in the first cave you could see the incredible Heaven's Light, whilst a guide walked you through the rest of the cave. The second cave was smaller and quieter, but they were both amazing to see.